Guys, can you believe that this is the Philippines here in Manila? This is Manila, my first time being in Manila. Very excited to be here. I've been looking forward to visiting this city. And yeah, as you can see, in this part of the city, here I am in Makati. So clean. As you can see, we got massive sidewalks, very clean, no trash, organized traffic. We actually have stoplights, and a lot of the parts that I just visited in the Philippines, there wasn't even stoplights. Really unorganized traffic. But yeah, here in Makati, very nice. I was not expecting this at all. It doesn't even feel like I am in the Philippines. Kind of feels like I'm in any like US city, and I'm from the US, and it feels like a little taste of home, actually. So I can see why a lot of people choose to live here from foreign countries, or retirees who come to live here after earning the Western dollar, the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and choose Makati, Philippines. So this looks like a massive mall here, the Landmark. I think it's part of, I think we're in the Greenbelt area. Greenbelt is just a series of malls and restaurants. Pretty much any restaurant that you can think of, any type of food that you can think of is here. We even have an H&M, which was not expecting that either. Yeah, this is the Greenbelt. Very clean, very nice. In some of my older videos, you could tell that wasn't very nice, at least with trash on the ground, unorganized traffic, loud and bustling. But the Greenbelt. They got Burberry, Prada, they got all those stores that you can think of, all those high-end stores. Any restaurants you can think of. I think I saw a Texas Roadhouse, I saw a TGI Fridays. They got everything out here. Can you believe that this is the Philippines? This is supposed to be, they say it's supposed to be a third world country, but there are pockets. There are pockets of the country that are like this, that are developed, that are just like any other place in the West, in the US, in Europe. What I have noticed though here in this part of the city is that there's a lot less street vendors. I'm sure it's a lot more regulated. I'm sure they don't allow street vendors here, probably because they wanted to keep a more cleaner atmosphere, less trash, and more of like a restaurant style eating rather than street food eating, which you can get pretty much anywhere else in the Philippines. But yeah, that's what I've noticed. A lot less street vendors, street food, that kind of stuff. One thing that's for sure here, which is really, really good, is that it's very well policed. There's guards, there's police officers, every corner of the street, and it's very safe, very safe. I would feel comfortable walking at night. I'm sure a lot of girls would feel comfortable walking at night here. But even in all of the Philippines so far, I have yet to feel any sort of discomfort or any threats, rude comments. I honestly have never experienced anything yet like that so far in the Philippines. The crazy thing though is that in the US, it's almost every day you experience rude people, inappropriate things, getting threatened by bystanders or people that are looking for trouble. But here, I have yet to find people who are just looking for trouble, threaten innocent bystanders, and overall just rude people. So, but yeah, definitely here in like Makati, I'd say really low chance of any of that happening, just because it's so well policed, a lot of guards, and overall very safe. So I came down this underground walkway under the street, and my God, it's so clean. It is so clean. There's not any trash. There's no graffiti on the walls. In all of US cities, something like this here, like an underground walkway, this would just be littered with trash, homeless people, graffiti on the walls, and this is just something else. Like, so clean. They keep it in pristine condition. You just don't get something like this in the US, where it'll just be covered with trash and graffiti. It's something really nice here in Makati. Another mall here in Makati. Again, all the stores so clean. Anything you can think of. Wow. This is nicer than a lot of the malls in the US. 1, 2, 3, 4 floors. Wow. What? They're playing badminton or something? Playing pickleball in the mall. This is some next level stuff. Wow. This is the Philippines, guys. This is the Philippines. We play pickleball in the mall. Oh! Next time, next time. Looks like we had some food over here. Let's see. Let's see. Hello. What is this? What is that?
Ears. Big ears.
Ears. It looks fatty.
Yes.
Fatty, right?
Fatty ears.
The ears. So that's just, is that, what kind of ears? Like human ears? Oh, okay. Pig ears, okay. So it's pig ears.
And pork intestine.
Pork intestines.
Pork barbecue.
Pork, just regular barbecue meat. Not intestine, regular meat.
Then chicken intestine.
Chicken intestine, wow. That sounds very appetizing.
3 for 1.
So we got a lot of good options there. If you want intestines, you want ears. This is
Dumplings.
dumpling, just regular dumpling. Very nice. Kwek Kwek. Yeah, I've been looking forward to trying Kwek Kwek. I will try some Kwek Kwek today.
What?
Somebody said I should try Kwek Kwek. What's that?
Speedboat.
This one?
Kwek Kwek.
Yeah, I'll try the Kwek Kwek.
How many?
Just one like cup.
30.
30 pesos?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I've never had it before, so I don't know.
One?
Yeah, just one. Just one. Please. Please. This is Filipino food, right?
Yeah.
Filipino food. Why is it named Kwek Kwek?
Kwek Kwek.
What's Kwek Kwek? It means you're making it quick? Is that what that means? Quick? Okay, 30. Thank you.
Just put the
I will try this.
vinegar.
Oh, vinegar.
And then sweet sauce.
Vinegar and sweet sauce.
Chili sauce.
So put a little vinegar in there. The vinegar is strong, so we'll only put a little bit. Then this is the sweet sauce.
This is it.
They're both the same, right?
Yeah.
Both the same. Okay. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. All right, for some Kwek Kwek. Let's try it. So that's what it looks like up close.
Vinegar.
What's that?
Vinegar.
Yeah, I put vinegar and then I put a little sweet sauce. So let's try it. All right.
20.
Hopefully it's not too hot. Cheers. Okay. So it's a fried hard-boiled egg. It's a fried hard-boiled egg. Right? Egg. It's good. Is this like balut? Is it? Is this balut?
No.
Oh. Yeah. So fried hard-boiled egg. It's good. It's good. Wow. Oh, I love hard-boiled egg. I've yet to try balut. I'm a little nervous because it's like an unborn chicken. You can like taste the bones, I heard. Let's put some more in this sweet sauce. Oh wow. Oh, yeah, it's good. Oh, so good. So good. Wow, good. Really good. I love Filipino food. It's good.
Quick eggs.
Yeah, egg. Yeah, it's good. A lot of protein. Yeah, it's good. Rice cakes, fish cakes. Very nice. And that is all right outside the mall. All right outside the mall. Street food. Authentic Filipino food. I guess I had some Taiwanese. They had some empanadas. No, they got a lot here. They got a lot. BGC, baby, we made it. BGC. Super excited to be here. So much hype around this city here in Manila. Wow, like, you can already tell that it's the most modern city probably in all of Philippines. I've never, IT Park is the only other place I've been to, and Cebu, not even close. Not even close. This is like next level. This is probably nicer than most of the US cities. It's insane. We got our massive skyscrapers, big hotels, big office buildings. There's an American Express office building here. So definitely some booming business going on here in BGC. I can tell why there's a lot of money here. There's a lot of money here, a lot of international business for a lot of tourism, even just, you know, from word of mouth, like everyone is saying, oh, go to BGC, gotta check out BGC, gotta check out BGC. So even through word of mouth, I bet you a lot of people come here, and foreigners as well, you know, looking for, you know, a place to live after retirement, or, you know, they want to move to a different country, but they don't want to give up their modern amenities. You know, this is where they're going in the Philippines, is BGC, because look at it, it's nicer than the US cities in most of them. No trash on the ground, no beggars, no homeless people. Very clean. You got, you know, all the shops, all the shopping. Look, you got restaurant, Shake Shack. Wow, there's so much to do here. So much to do. This is insane. I'm so happy to be here. This is crazy. All right, here in another mall in BGC. There's just endless malls like this. 5 floors, pickleball fields right in the middle. Lots and lots of people. It's very busy. Meanwhile, it's only Wednesday. It's Wednesday in the middle of the day at 3 p.m. and it's definitely active in here. This is not what you see in the U.S. In the U.S., where I'm from, the malls are dead. The mall life is dead, but here in the Philippines, it's alive and thriving. People are shopping. There's restaurants. People eating at restaurants, playing pickleball. People playing pickleball in the mall. Endless entertainment. There's a movie theater at the top. There's so much to do, and there's endless malls like this in Makati and BGC. Just really wasn't expecting this type of lifestyle in the Philippines, because the Philippines is known for being a poorer country with less amenities, but here we are in a building in a mall that is just as nice as anywhere else. Nice little walk-in park here. Kind of just hang out, chill, get some food, do some shopping, enjoy the day. It doesn't get cold here. It does not get cold here, so every day is a beautiful day here in the Philippines. And no matter where you go in the Philippines, which is what I love, no matter where you go, people are nice, people are friendly, they're happy to talk to you, they always have a smile on their face, they're engaging, and that's why I love the Philippines. That's the most beautiful thing about the Philippines is the people, 100%. And that's why I love this country, the Philippines. Absolutely amazing.